Is your water heater making strange noises? It might seem minor, but it could signal a bigger problem. From rumbling and popping to hissing and screeching, these sounds often indicate issues like sediment buildup or even potential leaks. Ignoring them could lead to inefficiency, higher bills, or even damage. Don't wait for the problem to escalate. Regular maintenance is key. If your water heater is acting up, Custom Plumbing of Arizona is here to help. We offer expert inspections and repairs to keep your water heater running smoothly. Call us today at 602-866-2665 for a free inspection and ensure your peace of mind.